channel. My name is Tahila, and in today's video I paid a visit to the well-known Dajo Pottery. The beautiful place is located in the Tewase Agbado area of Makurdi, Benue State, Nigeria. It was founded in the 1980s by a young graduate from the Ahmadu Bello University named Mr. Yakubu. He started from a very humble beginning. He started by using local implements. This is one of the wheels that he used back in the 80s to mold his ceramics. Basically, as you can see, he was using his legs. He moved them. This is the kiln that he was using. This is the local one where you use firewood and all that to bake your ceramics. So this is what he started with. He started from a very humble beginning, like I earlier said. Then he moved on.
This one passed the level of bread.
Yes.
Okay.
More than 10 times or 100 times. Yes.
This is interesting. They lifted it up from the ground. It's very strong.
Yes, very strong.
King.
Like that one.
After a few years of production, he was able to move from the use of the local firewood kiln to the use of the electronic ones. So you can see here he has the electronic kiln that is used in the preparation of the baking rather of the baking slash you can see baking or firing of the ceramic wares. You can see these are some of the ceramic wares that have been fired. And then he also has this another one that uses gas. Apart from the electric one, this is the second one that uses gas. So instead of electricity, this one uses gas. Wow. See the inside of the gas one, the gas kiln. So if you don't want to spend money on electricity, you can use gas to bake the ceramics or fire the ceramics. Okay, so this kiln is for like big vessels when you want to bake
you can
them.
sometimes, if we are firing plate, it takes more than 3,000 pieces of plate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so these big ones they use gas, and then these small ones they use electricity. So since this one like consumes more electricity, better to use gas. Traders all over the nation come here to get their ceramic wares to sell in the market. So if you've been wondering if there is anywhere in the country where ceramic ware are made, I know that we're used to seeing made in China ceramic wares, but then yes, we also have ceramic wares that are made here in Nigeria. And the good thing is that they're very affordable and very good quality. As you can see from the pictures, these are like things we probably see in the market and we would never imagine that they were actually made in the country. We have talent. Like when I went to this place, I was like, oh my goodness, we have talent in this country. And as you can see from the picture, it's not just the ceramic wares that they made, that is for the kitchen utensils and all that they make. They also portraits of some past leaders of Nigeria. We have other award plank and all that. So there's so many beautiful things that they make from this pottery. So guys, I love you, and I did not want to enjoy this adventure without showing you how these ceramics are gotten from the scratch. So I'm going to take you through the process here. This we are at the factory where the clay preparation takes place. As you can see that big yellow machine there, that's where the stones and the clay is ground. This is the slit. That is the slit, that is the clay plus the stone. This is ceramics that are not yet baked. They've not been fired. They've already been prepared, but then they've not been fired. So this is the factory. You can see the machines and see the workers in action doing their work here. Those are the pebbles that they use, the sand. Sometimes they use the sharp sand and then the pebbles. Yeah, those are the things right there. Those are also the other machines they have that they use. Those are the ones that they use in crushing. These big machines are the ones that they use in crushing the pebbles. See, it's really strong. So you need a strong machine to be able to crush the pebbles. Right there. These are still more pebbles. This is the clay slip.
Clay bed.
English is hard.
Clay slip, clay bed.
Okay. Thank you.
Maybe they are more. Okay, you have people.
That's kick way.
Okay.
This is easier.
Okay, so this is like a more modernized.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after that, we're now back to the electric one. Yeah, this one, all this electric one.
These are electric ones. So how do they operate this one? Just
Yeah, let me show you.
So like I said, this is the molding process. After the clay has been mixed and everything has been mixed together, they proceed to convert the clay into different shapes, which is basically known as the molding. So you will see how a piece of clay would be turned into a beautiful object. Yeah, so you just watch. It's just, the whole process is just amazing. Like, you just see a fat sand or clay, and then all of a sudden it just turns into this beautiful looking ceramic rather, that we all admire. So just watch. This is really amazing. Just watch how they will turn this whole thing into a flower vase, or is it vase? Flower vase. You guys, as you're enjoying this, shout out to my grandma. She was one that brought the idea of taking me to this place. I wanted to check out some places in Makurdi, and she suggested this place. So let's give a shout out to my grandma for this wonderful idea. See, as you can see, he's making the flower vase. Is turning, is forming beautifully. You can see, voila, a flower vase has been molded. So after the whole the clay had been molded and dried, it has to go through different processes before it becomes a beautiful object. Electric. Have to mold it. I mean, this is what is called the forced firing.
Okay.
Down strong smoke.
It's strong.
Yeah. So after first firing, so put it on glazing. So take it back again. This is for the second firing. So line the, let me wash my hands.
See, you're just looking like some local clay pots here. Yeah, so this is called the second firing slash the showroom. This is after it has been put in the kiln and everything has been done. This is what come out rather. So this is the showroom where we have the beautiful different ceramics where traders come to buy for their shops. And see beautiful flower vases. See, can you see this? Really amazing. They all look beautiful, they all look amazing.
Shoe made of ceramics.
Yes, ma'am.
For decoration.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Ceramic shoes. Them tough to that this is I put the style and the to come up.
I know. So you guys, you can see this beautiful handwork here right in our country, Nigeria. You can support your countryman by giving him some projects. Maybe you have a wedding coming up or any event you want to just make some ceramics and as gifts, or maybe you want to gift people ceramics, where you can just contact them and produce. They have tea mugs, tea jugs, flower vases of different shapes and sizes, so you can just contact them and you have your work delivered to you. But as you can see, it's a whole long process. So if you want to get this good and beautiful thing from the scratch, you have to give them time. You have to let them know ahead of time for you to get this. So I hope you loved the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, that is what I have for you for today. Thank you for going through this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, because I thoroughly enjoyed myself seeing this whole thing from the scratch and then hearing of the man's story